Good afternoon. My name is Nick Robertson. I'm the president of TRG Financial. We're an insurance and financial agency located in Atlanta, Georgia. We service auto, home, life, and various other personal and commercial insurance. I just want to just kind of just share with you some information, a series of information over the next 3 to 6 months, dealing with some of the basic information on auto, home, and life insurance. We're going to start with auto insurance, and I'm going to ask that you would. This is going to be shared on Facebook and YouTube. If you will share this information, leave comments or any questions you may have concerning insurance or your auto insurance, as well as on the YouTube channel. If you will just subscribe to that channel, we'll greatly appreciate it. Well, let's get started here. What is auto insurance? From time to time, I'm asked by customers and friends, about insurance questions, particularly as, why is my insurance rates going up? I had no claims. What is uninsured motors? When does it apply? What is medical pay? What I'm going to attempt to do over the next few months is to kind of go through some basic information, give you some information that will help you to to understand a little bit about what you're paying for in your auto insurance. So auto insurance and understanding the auto insurance, basic personal auto insurance is mandated by most states. It provides some financial protection for you in the event of an accident, but sometimes it's not enough. So what are the options? Well, we're going to learn how car insurance works and what type of coverages are available. Understanding car insurance, the basics. Understanding your auto insurance. Auto insurance is a contract between you and the insurance company that protects you against financial loss in the event of an accident or theft in exchange for your payment of premiums. Your coverage is outlined in your policy. The basic coverages: you have your property such as damage or to theft of your car; liability, your legal responsibility to others for bodily injury or property damage; and then you have your medical payments, the cost of treating injuries or rehab, and sometimes lost wages and funeral. So basic personal auto insurance is mandated again by most states in the United States, and the laws may vary from state to state, but auto insurance coverage are priced individually. You can customize it to some extent based upon your needs and your budget, but policies are generally issued for 6 months or 1 year at a time, and up for renewable during those periods. The insurance company sends out you a notice when it's time to renew your policy or to pay your premiums. Well, who's covered under my auto policy, and under what circumstances would they be covered? Well, your auto policy will cover you and other family members on your policy, whether driving your car or someone else's car, as long as they have their permission, and I underline their permission. Your policy also provides coverage if someone who is not on your policy is driving your car with your consent. Your personal auto policy only covers personal driving, whether you're commuting to work or running errands or taking a trip. It will not provide coverage if you use your car for commercial purposes. For instance, if you are delivering pizzas. Personal auto insurance policy will also not provide coverage if you use your car to provide transportation to others through ride-sharing services such as Uber or Lyft. If you are involved in that activity, I would suggest that you contact your insurance carrier to make them aware that you are now doing drive sharing, and to note your file and provide any supplemental coverages you may need accordingly. So what is auto insurance coverage? Is auto insurance coverage mandatory? In most states, all states, it's mandatory that you have insurance. Bodily injury liability, which covers costs associated with bodily injury or death that you or another driver caused while driving your car. The next one is property damage liability, which reimburses others for damage that you or another driver operating your car calls to another vehicle or other property, such as a fence, a building, a utility pole. In addition, many states require that you carry, and some is optional coverage, medical payments or personal injury protection, or PIP, which provides reimbursement for medical expenses for injuries to you or your passengers. It will also cover lost wages and other related expenses up to the limit that you have chosen. Uninsured motorist coverage. It reimburses you when accident is caused by drivers who does not have insurance in case of like hit and run type of situation, or persons who are underinsured. Even in the medical payment or MedPay or PIP, personal injury protection, and uninsured motorist coverage are optional in some states. Consider adding them to your policy for greater financial protection. What other type of auto insurance coverages are typical? While basic or most basic policies legally mandate auto insurance coverage for damages to your car causes, it does not cover damages to your own vehicle or your own car. To cover your own car, you would consider some optional coverages, such as collision. That's known as a deductible. It reimburses you for the damages to your car that occurs as a result of a collision with another vehicle or other object, such as a tree or a guardrail. When you're at fault, while collision coverage will not reimburse you for mechanical failures, nor or normal wear and tear of your car. It covers damages from potholes or from rolling your car. Then you have comprehensive coverage, which is also a deductible. It provides coverage against theft, damage caused by incident other than a collision, such as a fire or flood or vandalism or window breakage. That would be covered under your comprehensive. There are other optional coverage, such as glass coverage, which provides coverage for windshield damage, which is common. Some auto policies include non-deductible glass coverages, which also include side windows, rear windows, glass sunroofs, or you can buy supplemental glass coverage. And this is the completion of one of the parts of the series on what is auto insurance and understanding your car insurance and what it covers. I would ask that you would be so kind, if you like this video, to indicate that. If you have comments or questions about auto insurance, if you'll put that in the comment section, and we will address that in a future session. So if you have any questions, you can certainly reach me. Again, my name is Nick Robertson. I'm with TRG Financial. I'm an independent agent, represent several insurance companies. So we shop to get the best rate for you possibly. You can reach me at 770-577-9000. And TRG Financial, we are the right choice for your insurance needs. Give us a call if you have any questions. Take care and drive safely.